Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. I was on the hunt for artificial eucalyptus stems and found this incredible discovery by Tiyard. I used them for an event and I absolutely adore them. They added a touch of elegance to my decor. The length is perfect for tall flower vase and they're incredibly versatile. You can put them in a vase, on the table, or even as wall decor. I personally use them with the flower vase and on the table, and they look stunning. The texture is really natural, and if you buy 18 pieces or 85 pieces, you have plenty of options for different uses. So if you're on a budget but want your home or event to stand out, definitely check out these artificial eucalyptus stems from Tiyard. They are made of high quality material. They are super versatile and unique, and I know you will love them. But that's just my point of view.